Perfect. That's actually good. Yeah, I hear a different sound, like you said. And that's a perfect spot, because that's around where I wanted it, too. Because the plan was I was going to kind of have it over my bed. That way, if anything were to happen, it wouldn't fall on the floor. I know my room is tiny, so it makes a pain in the ass doing anything in here. Hey, we make it work. Yeah, it says these hooks can hold up to 20 pounds.
I found a stud. I found a stud.
You found me. I invited you in the house. I found a stud.
Where do you want to mount?
Well, I'm hoping to get it mounted. Where's the other hook? I was hoping to get it mounted wherever the stud was, kind of like that way. If you need me to hold one side, I can.
So you want the hook right here?
Yeah,
Or you want it right?
No, we're using the hooks because it's a ceiling mount. That's for the wall mount if you use the side.
Okay, get the other end. I'll get this.
Okay.
Now, where you want it? You want it right here, or you want it moved this way?
Well, whatever's the safest away from the TV, but if we can't help it, then yeah, that's fine too. As long as it's not in front of the cabinet to where I can't pull it down.
Here, you're away from the TV. You got a lot of room away from the TV.
Yeah, that could be good.
And you're not by. I don't think you're by the cabinet, but you might want to come up because you don't want to hit your guys. Does that look straight to you? Yeah. Hold it all the way up. And then mark it. Yep. Make a big mark so I can see it. Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Okay. Yeah, because it'll be easier to drill the holes before we actually...
Can you turn that light off?
Yeah.
This one?
Actually, let me do it from here.
Just in case.
Yeah, you never know.
I don't want to bust into the wire. I wish I would have brought my... What the fuck are you doing?
Right?
I don't think it's going to go anywhere.
Okay. Yeah, as long as it's stable, that's fine. We need it facing out, I think. Yeah, like that.
It's on there.
Once we get that green screen mounted, it should be fine.
Don't like how it looks.
I guess it doesn't matter which way it goes as long as it holds the thing. There you go.
See, I'm wondering if I can get away with it like that.
Should. It looks like it's holding.
Obviously, I can't do it on that one.
Yeah, it looks like it went a lot better on that one. You didn't even rip the drywall.
Well, yeah, and I didn't put the plastic anchor in either. So I'm wondering if it will hold.
It should. It holds up to 20 pounds.
Without the plastic anchor being in the drywall.
It should,
So
yeah.
that went to the plastic anchor, so it's gripping onto the drywall. This is just a screw in the wall.
That one looked like it held better, though.
A rude awakening. All right. Try it and then, pull it down, and if it don't work, we'll have to put the plastic rings going in your spine.
Maybe I just don't notice it. I don't know. Okay. Perfect.
And Don't get rid of, don't pull it up yet. Hold on.
You gotta tighten some or just double checking?
I'm just making sure this damn thing don't. I mean, it says it's locked, but you never know.
Right.
Is that low enough for your?
Well, it goes down more, yeah. Oh, and then it goes. That's perfect. That's good. Cool. Yes, I do have to zoom the camera in. That's what it's going to look like now.
I like it.
Ladies and gentlemen, your God is home. Thank you. So we'll pull it up. But that's nice.
I don't see like the anchors coming off. The anchor's in there really good. That screw's in there really good.
Is that we just pull it down, and now we have a green screen. Like that. So now you can see all of me like this. We can do some crazy stuff with these daily vlogs going forward, especially if I connect this to my computer.
Okay.
Just a friendly reminder, my name is HollywoodShono, and I am a Razer streamer. If you guys like these tech review videos, leave a comment down below. And if you want to see a review on the Razer Black Shark headset that you guys see right in front of me, leave a comment down below as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Hopefully it won't be so far apart from the last one.
Get money.